Hello, welcome back to another time capsule vlog. I'm your host Jason, and we're going to be taking you guys with us for our little 4th of July weekend. So we have different things planned. Somebody's motorcycle is really loud in the background as we're going by. But on Friday, which has already happened, I just haven't filmed the intro. I'll wait till that motorcycle goes by. Geez, ow.
It's alright.
But anyways, we already went to the fireworks. That was yesterday, Friday. I didn't film anything there except for the fireworks because there's too many people around. I didn't want to have people think I'm filming them. There was a local man that's always bringing out the cross and carrying a cross, and he's running people over there. So I didn't, that was enough of a spectacle as it was. I didn't want me filming to be more of a spectacle or think it was part of that, but he was, it was pretty bad. I mean, it's okay to carry Jesus's cross and whatnot, but it was really crowded there, and he was literally running over people's toes and running into trees, and then the limbs were hitting people in the face with this cross is what he was doing. So we did the fireworks, and you guys will see that later. I'll probably save the fireworks till the end. Then some of the other footage you guys will see. We went to Bobby's in Michigan. It's a lake, and we went swimming. I had some footage of that. We're at a park at Bobby's Lake right now. That's where I'm filming, and some of the playground equipment here has been here for 40 years, and it's pretty neat. I remember as a kid liking it because there's a little rocket ship and some other stuff, Christians over there climbing on something. It was a little shuttle landing thing, but we'll show you guys what we do. Well, I'm just filming what it looks like, the whole area. Amber's festive toenails.
They're sandy.
It's festive. Yeah. Just got done swimming over there at that beach. Pretty nice how it was set up.
In between after you're done.
Little fancy bench.
Hi, y'all.
You guys going up in the tower, the rocket?
Michael, climb on top of that.
This has been here since I was a kid. It was 40 years ago almost. It was all the way up.
All set like a hat.
Come on, asbestos.
Ow. Okay, so Michael's too scared to go to the top, so the boys dared Jason to. So here he goes.
Ow.
I wouldn't go up there.
Come on, Michael.
I'm trying to find a place to put my phone.
You can put it on that picnic table. He's at the top. Yay!
You guys coming?
Do you climb up that pool?
Hey, Amber.
Hey, Dad, do you climb up that pool?
I'll go soon. I'm going.
Don't let him in. Hey, do you climb up that pool?
What pole?
That one.
This one?
No, that one. See?
Yeah, that's what that is for.
How are we supposed to climb up it?
You just climb it.
Alright,
I bet
cool.
Mike can't climb it. Alright, so we're on our third day, little 4th of July weekend. I'm here with the family. We got Christian, Amber, and Colton. And we are having like a little campfire in our backyard. So we got it going right there. And behind us, it's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see it. It's our tent. So we're going to do like a little camp out. People got fireworks going, the neighbors and stuff. And Amber and I are having some adult beverages. Boys are making s'mores. And we actually put extension cord out the window. We got a TV with our Fire Stick in the tent. And we're going to watch a scary movie after we're done with the fire and our s'mores and our food and drinks. So we'll catch you later.
Right, Mom?
These are dry. They're burning quick.
Do you want me to do your marshmallow? I'm gonna let the burn slow down. Because you like it perfect, right?
I don't mind either way.
Is that for you, Amber?
Yeah, might want to blow it out though before it catches like.
Don't blow it onto Amber.
Oh. Do you want to more toasted or do you want
That's okay. It should be warm enough.
Alright, so we're not going to do the cookout portion. My wife's fairly sunburnt. I mean, I don't know if you can see, but I'm pretty sunburnt. We've been outside a lot this weekend. And yes, I haven't combed my hair. It's kind of still doing its thing. So we're just going to relax this last 4-day weekend, last day of the 4-day weekend. And, you know, my oldest boy has to go to work anyways. So we're going to do like the cookout food just as an extra meal or do it another day. And I'm going to end the vlog now. However, there's going to be fireworks at the end. So if you're sensitive like lights and flashings and stuff like that, you can, you know, click out the video now. Otherwise, enjoy the fireworks, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. All right, bye. Amber, look what just fell on me.
Yeah.
A piece of firework
Yeah.
just fell on me.
My flash was on. I was sitting here taking. Did you get some in your eye, Cole? Why? I got some in mine. Yeah.
Come on.